What's up, man? It's Chef Phillip Anthony in the house. I think you see some ingredients here. Let me let you know what's going on here, all right? So, I was invited to the comedian cooking challenge by Darren Rivera. So I'm on here and we're gonna make it fun. We're gonna make it tasty. I'm supposed to challenge somebody, so I want to challenge two people because I want to make it extra fun and get more people involved. First person I want to challenge is comedian Jackson. Why? Because his video game is top notch, and because I want to see that single. I'm gonna buy your single, that eating lobster single. I'm buying that as soon as you drop it, son, and I better be in the video. All right, number two, I gotta challenge Davey Lozano because Davey's got some fun video skills too. So I want to see what he comes up with. It's gonna be a fun challenge and it's gonna be tasty. So let's show you what I got going on right now. All right. So I got my chicken, my steak, some garlic butter. I got my vegetables cut up, broccoli and carrots and zucchini and onions. And you see right there, I think I'm going Japanese. I really think so. Yep. We got the soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, the sesame oil. We got some fried onions. And we got the huevos right there. We got the eggs. It's about to happen. I'm doing tricks. I'm doing it all right now. We're going to be hibachi at home. The quarantine edition. It's going down. Alright, so let's see how this goes. I've never done hibachi at home, but we're going to do it today and see what happens. Alright, you guys make it good. Let's get this comedian cooker challenge going. Let's start cooking. I'll see you guys. See how this happens. Can't wait to see your video. Alright. Hey! We started. Who want how they do it? Who want a broccoli? Who want a broccoli? Broccoli? Ready? Come on, ready? Hey! No, that didn't work. All right. You missed. You gotta catch it. You gotta. Yeah. Hey. All right. Let's try one more. Hit. Stupid. Let's go. All right. Where's my other thing at? Oh. We back. We gonna do the eggs now. We do the trick. It's my first day on the job, people. All right. How's that? Did they do shit that they throw it in the land? All right. Let me see if I can catch it on my head. No, my wife's gonna kick my ass. I ain't doing that. All right. So we're gonna start with the eggs. I've got your picture. I'm like a million of the whole man myself. I want a doctor to take a picture so I can look at you from inside as well. You got me turning up and turning down and turning in and turning back and turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. Turning Japanese. I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so. All right, the eggs are ready. So now we're gonna add the rice. I'm not gonna tell you how we did this because I'm not giving any of my secrets away. But it's on YouTube. It's a lot of rice here. But in hibachi, we like a lot of rice. I know I get mad when they give other people more rice than they give me. Go to hibachi. That's when you find out how really petty you are. You're like, everybody getting more stuff than I'm getting. Now we add some soy sauce. Let that cook in. Oh, it smells good. And look good. All right, now we start the vegetables. All right, you gotta add some salt. We gotta do it the style. Here we go. I don't know how he does that. Oh, wait. I know what's wrong. I got it. You ready? can't even twist my arm down here. Huh? Anyway, you get the idea. Now we added some more vegetables. We're gonna put our broccoli up on here. Start sauteing all this stuff together. Just really for me, because nobody else in the house eats the vegetables. But I love the vegetables. Throw some more olive oil and some sesame oil. Just gives it that little toasty flavor. Real good. And I'm also gonna add some teriyaki sauce to these veggies. Teriyaki. Yeah. This has sesame seeds in it, so it also gives it like a little toastier flavor. This is gonna be banging! Oh my God. The chicken and the beef look so good. Look at that. Ah, it's gonna be so good. And that, my friends, is what the final product looks like. I'll add some photos too, because this is what Chef Phillip does, man. Let me hold on. Look at that. It's beautiful. And delicious. I like my steak medium. All right, Davey. All right, Jackson. It's on you guys now. I'm about to eat. Later.